Hello there. Today I want to look at Netflix. I'm going to do a full technical analysis on Netflix because I think this will be a nice stock for 2017. I've watched Netflix a couple of times, but in 2016 we saw this from summer until the end of the year, where it was in a nice uptrend, but then things got a bit choppy. We started to see a lower low, didn't get a new high, so price was this is to me is a uncertain area. And then price came over here, things started to get interesting again. Recently the numbers came out and the numbers were pretty good, so we see this rally right now. Personally, I think Netflix is a company. A lot of people know Netflix, and when the numbers are good and the personal feeling or view on Netflix is good as well, then we get some positive sentiment. But last year we didn't see quite that picture. As you know, I trade with the RSI and I trade with Bollinger Bands. Momentum is building up on the RSI. Normally I just use the RSI for to determine divergence. That's not the case right now, so I'm not really looking at the RSI from here on. I also look at the Bollinger Bands, which obviously we are trading above the moving average on the outside of the Bollinger Band, so momentum is good. Let's put in some horizontal lines. This was an important level to break. It did and never came back. Recently we had this level in, which got broken, which is causing this new rally and the confirmation that we are actually seeing new highs. This is also an important level to me because price was resistance and price was support as well. What are we looking at here? Maybe I can let's put in one more. I think around here is an important level, but for now I think when price will not reach these two lines when I'm trading, because when price breaks this one, when it actually breaks this one as well, and we start seeing lows, I'm out. So for now, these to me are enough lines on the weekly. Maybe we can put in a nice trend line as well. That's not really giving us the information I'm looking for right now. Over here we have a quite obvious line, and that's over here, resistance, later on support. This for some reason is acting as a support zone right now. Why is that? It's not a round number, who knows. And this is the all-time high. I'm going to put the all-time high in so we know where we are. Obviously we are at new high, so I'm not going to put in a Fibonacci to see where price is, even though I could, to determine where our next take profit could be in this move. Price opened with a gap after the numbers, so when I see this, I'm not trading this top. Of course, we see that the gap got filled quite a bit. For some reason this is acting as a support zone right now. I would like to see price move back into the moving average in this case before entering. So to me, I think when we draw in a trend line, where is it? Over here, like this, touch 1 2 3 touch, yes. This is pretty much the same as the moving average, so it appears. I can draw this line even further, but to me it's not that important right now. So let's zoom in a little bit more on the 4-hour chart. Also on the 4-hour we are trading the moving average. This line becomes more important. It's the 36.8 level because the moving average is trading around there and it was a previous resistance. So I think I am going to set an alert around the, what's now at 142. I think I want to get notified when price hits the 37.5, and I want to see how price behaves in that area. Maybe I zoom in to the 1 hour for once and start trading this again. For now, I think, of course, we're never gonna enter on a high. At least I'm not gonna enter on a high. Maybe it doesn't come back to the moving average, and we have to see first that it bounces off this now resistance, maybe later on support. That's it for me right now. Let me show you guys. Of course, TradingView's got the opportunity to put in alerts. I also use investing.com for my alerts, because investing.com has a app where I can put in my alerts as well, and I get push notifications on my phone. Wait a minute, let me pull up investing for a minute. This is the alert setter on investing.com. When I said 37.5, so when price goes below that, I will get a notification. I just save this one, and then we've set the alert, and I will get a push notification on my phone as well. So let's point this one out for you guys. I'm wanting to see a short pullback to the moving average or resistance zone that's around here. That for me is a safe and nice entry, and from here and beyond we can see a new move up. So put this one on your watch list, and let's trade, and let's make some money. Thank you.